Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua from Surah Al Ankaboot, ayat number 30. So this dua is very important for everyone in this time, because this is the time of fitna. Everywhere is fasad, fitna, problems. So we have to make this dua, request Allah with this dua every time in our salah. So InshaAllah, Allah will help us and save us from the people who who are mufsideen. So people who create disturbance and troubles and problems. So we will be saved InshaAllah if we remember Allah with this dua. So Allah's help InshaAllah will come to us and we will be saved. And this dua was requested by Lut alayhi salam, and Allah's help came and the whole nation was destroyed. So this dua give us an evidence that when a person is just to request Allah with this dua, Allah himself revenge the person, and the person who is person or the persons who are creating disturbance, those all types of plans are destroyed and those all efforts go in vain. So we read this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen. Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen. Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen. Rabbin surni. O my Allah, O my Lord, help me, support me, alal qawmil mufsideen, against the corrupt people. Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen. O Allah, O my Lord, help or support me against the corrupt people. So when we request Allah, then we will be saved from corruptions, from disturbance, from the problems that are created by some people, one person or more than one person. So Allah will save us when we request Allah. So Allah's angels come to help us and we will be saved InshaAllah. So the other thing is that because this dua was requested by Lut alayhi salam, so if a boy who is under trouble and feels sexual harassment from someone, then there is chances that the person will be involved in sexual evil, then this dua is effective that time also. The person, the boy, read this dua, request Allah with this dua, Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen. InshaAllah, he will be saved from all types of sexual evils. Same like that, any person, boy or girl, or the man or woman who are under trouble of sexual harassment or sexual evils, if they try to read this dua, request Allah with this dua, Rabbin surni alal qawmil mufsideen, InshaAllah they will be saved from sexual evils and Allah will make the way for them to come out just to Sirat Mustaqim. No trouble, no problem. InshaAllah, the problem creators will be destroyed, or the people who will create the problem for the evil to happen, they will be destroyed, or they will feel the worst consequences by Allah, and only the person who will be requesting Allah with this dua will be saved completely and fully from the evils and must be thankful to Allah. Just to say, Rabbi onsurnee alal mufsideen. So if you try to make a habit to read this dua every day in your salah, InshaAllah, in your life, the whole day of your life will be without any corruption, without any disturbance, without any fasad, and problems will not come to you, and your life will be spent in a nice way, InshaAllah. So we have to read this, Rabbi onsurnee alal mufsideen. O my Allah, O my Lord, support me, help me against the corrupt people, against the people who are disturbing. So Allah's help will come and we will be saved, inshallah. Try to read this dua, so inshallah Allah's help will come to you and you will feel comfortable in this life, and the other life will be better also, inshallah, because you will be saved from all types of evils and the consequences of disturbance from the people, inshallah. Allah give us tawfiq and keep us safe in this world and give us the reward in the day of judgment. Ameen.